The company specializes in designing and manufacturing equipment for extracting oil from food waste, providing solutions tailored for both small-scale operations and large enterprises. Their machines are renowned for their efficiency, durability, and eco-friendliness. By adopting cutting-edge technologies, such as automated control systems and energy-saving designs, one of the key advantages of choosing Henan Zhongrui is their commitment to customer satisfaction. The company provides comprehensive after-sales services, including technical support, maintenance guidance, and training programs. This allows clients to fully utilize their equipment and maintain smooth production processes over time. Moreover, Zhongrui Machinery has extensive experience in global markets. For businesses looking to invest in sustainable practices, Henan Zhongrui's offerings align perfectly with modern demands for green energy solutions. Whether you're aiming to recycle used cooking oil into biodiesel or recover valuable resources from kitchen waste. In summary, if you're searching for a dependable partner in the realm of meal kitchen oil refining equipment, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited deserves serious consideration. With its robust product lineup, superior service, and dedication to sustainability,